Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Shop app, a smart shopping assistant that helps you track your online orders, discover stores, and shop securely from your favorite brands. The Shop app by Shopify is a free shopping and tracking app that organizes your online purchases, provides real-time shipping updates, and recommends stores or products you might love. Now, to use it, first you need to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to your app store, then search shop all your favorite brands, your search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, and then you'll have an install option right here. So tap on install, then open up your app. Once signed in, Shop will auto import any active order linked to your email and show a timeline for each from shipping to delivery. You'll get a real-time notifications as your packages move through carriers like USPS, FedEx, UPS, and more. Tap on any package to view its tracking map and estimated arrival date. To discover and shop your favorite brands, tap the Shop app to explore curated collections, trendy products, and stores near you. Use the search bar to find specific items and filter by category like fashion, beauty, or home. Follow stores you like to get updates and promotions. When you find something you like, tap to add it to your cart and complete your order directly within the app. Shop Pay, this secure checkout system, saves your address and payment method for super fast purchases. No need to enter info again. To customize settings, tap your profile item to manage track emails, turn on or push notifications, add new payment methods, and edit your delivery address. And that is how you can use the Shop app to track, shop, and stay updated with all your online purchases in one place. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.